How's it, Simon here from Perfect Pools. We're starting a brand new swimming pool, and this time I'm quite excited because it's just around the corner of one of our stores here in Blouberg. So I knew I was going to make this video this morning, and I thought, how am I going to start it? And one of the things I've been asking myself is that why did customers pick the service provider that they pick, and how do they choose it? And I thought to myself, how would I choose one? So the number one thing is reviews or customer referrals. And even though we want to refer everyone, or we'd like everyone to refer us, it's not always possible. But you as a customer can always go and have a look at our Google reviews. There's over 350 reviews across the 3 stores that we've got. And also there is over 4.7 stars reviews, which means that customers are generally super happy. So another thing is we are an NSPI member, so it means that we've got a certain standard that we need to work to. We cannot cut corners. And then talking about corners cut, I really take care of my staff. We just come back from training recently. That includes myself, my sales team, that they know what to sell the customer and how to sell it to customer and tell the customers what we can and cannot do. My laminators were there, so the whole team, in fact my admin girls were also there so that they can deal with you on the phone. So I spent quite a bit of time and money on training. But for now, this is the pool we're dealing with today. Let's go and have a look inside. Let's try and make it as quick as possible because I want to take you on a journey of the whole pool. You can see what happened here. Customer told me the previous team that came in, your previous pool guy, if you can call him a pool guy, they just went in and did a top coat. That's it. No fiberglass, no resin, nothing. Just painted the pool basically. It's not even lasted 18 months or so. So what we'll do is we'll sand the whole pool down. In fact, we're going to grind it down. We're going to grind down the mosaics as well. We're going to cut in a groove underneath here. I hope you can see it. We're going to tuck the fiberglass in there and make sure that we do a good job for the customer. So stay tuned. I'm going to take you with us on the journey. And the next time you see the pool, we will probably be halfway through it. And then the finished product. So until then, see you. Bye. Good morning, Simon here from Perfect Pools. Well, it's good morning-ish. It's about 11 o'clock here in Blouberg. We're busy with the pool and we're going to see what it looks like. Just been informed by the team that there's load shedding here, so they are actually taking lunch because they can't do much when there is load shedding. But if you look at it, that is what we're dealing with today. Let's go check inside. I just want to make sure that I can just step around these cans of resins and stuff. You can have a look here. There's some patchwork that we did this morning. Obviously when we laminate, there's some bumps and imperfections, and then the next morning we come in and smooth it off. And as you can see here, it's really nice and smooth. A bit dusty still, but smooth. We've tucked the fiberglass in underneath here, and you can actually see the fiber putty that we mix and then seal it off on the end to make it a flush finish and completely sealed. So the next step is actually we are going to do the fiberglass pool mosaics. I was trying to look and see if I can find it and show you. I think the team has actually put it somewhere else. Anyway, I'll show you next time. The next time you see me, this pool will be full of water, finished, and hopefully with a happy customer. Until next time, bye. So I'm again here from Perfect Pools, and we are finished with the pool. It's a bit of a surprise for me, I think. Sorry if you can't hear me, but the wind is quite bad. Standing around the corner here, dogs is all over me. But the pool is looking fantastic. Hope you can see it. I'm going to give you some close-ups quickly, and then you can look for it at yourself. Excuse the watercolor, it's a bit cloudy. We just put water in, and yesterday we put some chlorine and water chemicals in there, so the pool's a bit cloudy, but that'll be perfect by tomorrow when the water's run at least 24 hours. Take a look at the job, and remember, if you're looking for your pool to be done and look like this, give us a call. Click the link below and one of our teams will give you a call so that we can get your pool looking like brand new again. From my side, until next time, I hope you enjoy these videos. Just keep following us on TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, everywhere, all social medias, and let us know if you need your pool done. Look at the before and afters. Here's some close-up pictures. From my side, until next time, bye.